Hello student, good morning to all of you. Student, yesterday I have taken your online class test. This is not any unit test. This number not will be added in any test. So don't be panic student. And student, some guardians called to me that sir I have not filled up to my ward's name. Okay, I accepted your complaint, but it will be cleared in your second online test. So I ask you to please send me your name and how many marks you have obtained. Only name and marks obtained. Send to my WhatsApp number. All of you please send to me your marks and your name. Okay, it will be discussed to our technical department. Okay student, so today I will revise your chapter number 2nd and chapter number 3rd. Okay student, and today I will discuss some MCQs, multiple choice question. Which types of multiple choice questions are coming in your next examination in class test, means class test in the revision, this class revision. Okay, so student, all of you open a rough copy or homework copy, it is also called classwork copy, and write down some question. Okay student, and try to understand what is the correct answer of the objective questions. Okay student, date is 11th of August 2020, class 4th, subject science, topic revision of chapter 2nd and chapter 3rd. Okay, so student, I am also take the book for classwork revision. Student, in chapter number 2, the name of the chapter is the teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes, and there are 4 MCQs in page number 21. In page number 21, this concept check. Concept check. Okay, your proforma of the online test will be this type: Glen Hill School, Chunar, online test. Okay, class 4th, subject science, your name, there is a option, you will click this, so you will write down your name. Suppose your name is Ayush Sharma. Okay, this is the one block, and in the second block, this is the sequence of question number. Okay, question number. Suppose I am given the question is the visible part of a tooth The visible part of a tooth is called student. I take some more space. A root, B crown, C flap, and D gum. Student, this is the question number 1. All of you listen very carefully. Suppose you are all first read the question and try to choose the correct option. Root is the not visible part. Crown, 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 plug and gum. Student, crown is the topmost part of the tooth. So that is visible. So you will only click by your finger on the option B, okay, and select. And now you will read the question number 2 in the same proforma below this question number first. Suppose question number 2, your answer question number and answer number 1 will be locked. Now you will read the question number 2 and 3, and this is the sequence, and you will choose the correct option, and you will press only the correct option with any finger, and in the last there is a option that is called submit. When you click this, your all answer will be completely locked, and you have also checked how many marks did you have obtained out of total. Okay, so student, after the completing the given time, you can check your answer by yourself. Okay student, so this is the proforma. Now student, we are going to next topic, revision of the MCQ. Suppose only 4 MCQs in this question, in this chapter, and no more multiple choice question in chapter number 2. And now I am going to see the chapter number 3. In chapter number 3, only 3 MCQ. Student, in your class test, I will ask some extra MCQs which is given by your topic based. You can give the correct answer of your concept of the topic. Okay, this will be able to explain the question answer in the future examination. You can use in your own words. Okay student, so suppose except these multiple choice questions, I am taking some extra multiple choice questions which are made by us. Student, listen and see the whiteboard. Suppose I am asking a MCQs question based on chapter 3. while riding a bicycle, bicycle, keep to the right, keep to the guidance of the road. Okay, so option number A, right, B, left, C, middle, D, footpath. Student, while riding a bicycle, keep the but right or left? What is the correct answer? Okay, student. So when you riding a bicycle, keep to your left side. Okay, so you will press left side. Okay, press the left side. This will the your correct answer. But there is no MCQs of this types of question are given in your test book. I am taking this question on the conceptual based, on the your topic based. I am asking some extra question from chapter 3rd or chapter 2. See this. There will be 10 MCQs in your next examination. Suppose this is a question. Do not wear dress clothes while cooking. So what is the correct option that you can fill in this space to fulfill the complete answer? So do not wear which type? Cotton, silk, woolen or nylon. Student, while you are cooking in the kitchen, so don't wear the nylon clothes because it catches fire very easily. So your correct option will be nylon. So don't write nylon. Don't other thing you cannot fill, but you can press only the option number D with any finger. Okay. So your correct answer will be nylon. Okay, student. Now the next MCQ. This is based on chapter 2nd. Question: how many kinds of teeth are found in a human being? A, B, C, D. This is the option. A is 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. So student, you know there are 4 types of teeth are found in our mouth. Okay, so you will be placed the option number C. Option number C. So they are the topic based. They are the theory based question. So it is very necessary to read and learn your concept, clear your concept about the teeth. Suppose your next question. Total number of CISS incisors are found in total number of incisors are found in mouth, or total number of incisors are found in a human is first 6, B 4, C 8, D 12. So, student, you know, when I explain the arrangement of the each types of the teeth in the curved jaw, you know, incisor is the first number of the teeth in the mouth. So there are 4 upper side and 4 lower side of the jaw. So total number of the incisors are found in the human being is 8. Okay, so your option number is 8. So learn these types of the question. How many types of the premolar, how many types of the molar, how many types of the canines are found in the human being. So learn all the numbers of the teeth in upper jaw or in lower jaw or in the upper jaw one side. Okay, so you know that this is the curved part of the jaw and this is the curved part, and this is the incisor, this is canine, canine 2, 1, 2, 3. Now this is premolar and molar. Canine, sorry, incisor, 2 canine, okay, canine, 1 canine and 2 premolar and 3 molar. So student, this is the one side of the upper jaw and this is the other side of the upper jaw. Okay. So in each side there is one canine, 2 premolar and 3 molars, and your right side one canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar. How many numbers of the premolar in the upper jaw? 2 and 2 makes 4. Premolar 4. Incisor total number 4. Okay. There is no side, but canine, premolar and molar. Each side of the upper jaw, canine total number is 1. Total number is 1. Okay. Means one side. And premolar 3, molar 2, canine 1. Okay. You can also divide the jaw from the vertical line to this side and to this side. Okay. So when you cross by 2 in each types of teeth, total number will be 4, 2, 4, 6. Okay, means total 4 to 6, 4, 10 and 6, 16. Upper jaw and 16. Lower jaw total makes 30. Okay student, so clear your concept, and when I ask any question you are able to explain all types of question, whatever the MCQs, fill in blanks, match the column, long, short. Okay, this makes you able to explain all types of question. Okay, so MCQs is very important tips for the learning of all types of question. Okay student, now student write down your today's homework. Revise on chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay, completely. Okay student, hope you are all do your work proper in time. Okay student, so read and learn all types of the question and read the topics and clear the concept. Thank you student. Have a nice day. Class is over.